In the context of e-commerce, 5grams technology has the potential to enhance the mobile shopping experience, providing faster load times and smoother streaming for videos and other multimedia content. Additionally, 5grams technology can enable new applications in areas such as augmented reality and virtual reality. Personalization. Personalization is becoming an increasingly important aspect of e-commerce, as businesses seek to provide customers with tailored experiences and recommendations. Technologies such as machine learning and data analytics are being used to analyze customer data and provide personalized product recommendations and marketing messages. In the future, advancements in these technologies are expected to further enhance the capabilities of personalization in e-commerce. Social commerce. Social commerce is the use of social media platforms to make online purchases. With the increasing popularity of social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, social commerce has become a major force in the e-commerce industry. In the future, advancements in social media technology, such as augmented reality filters and shopping tags, are expected to further enhance the capabilities of social commerce. Sustainability. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important consideration in the e-commerce industry, as businesses seek to reduce their environmental impact and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Technologies such as blockchain and IoT can be used to track the sustainability of products and supply chains, while advancements in logistics and delivery technology can reduce carbon emissions and other negative environmental impacts. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that enables businesses to store and access data and software over the internet, rather than on local servers or computers. In the context of e-commerce, cloud computing can provide businesses with scalable and flexible infrastructure for hosting their online stores and managing their operations. Additionally, cloud computing can enable new applications in areas such as artificial intelligence and big data analytics. Subscription services. Subscription services are becoming an increasingly popular model for e-commerce businesses, providing customers with regular deliveries of products and services on a recurring basis. From meal kit delivery services to subscription-based software, these services provide a steady stream of revenue for businesses and convenience for customers. In the future, advancements in automation and logistics technology are expected to further enhance the capabilities of subscription services. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is becoming an increasingly important consideration in the e-commerce industry, as businesses seek to protect themselves and their customers from data breaches and other cyber threats. Technologies such as blockchain and biometric authentication can be used to enhance the security of online transactions and protect against fraud and identity theft. Additionally, advancements in cybersecurity technology and best practices can help businesses stay ahead of evolving threats and maintain the trust of their customers.